2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.